Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a Redux tutorial on freeCodeCamp, dispatch, and action type. So we learned before that to create a store, we do this context of const_store equals redux.createStore, and we pass in the state. And now we learned about the action, which is the type login, and then the action creator, which is this that returns the action. So to tie in the action with Redux, we use dispatch, and we call the store, and we do .dispatch, and we pass in the action you want. So there's two ways you can do it. You can just do the store.dispatch and then the action creator that returns the action inside of it, or just do the action, type it out. It's generally better to separate it so you can understand it. So you dispatch the action creator that takes in the action. So for this exercise, there's the Redux store in the code editor, has a state of login false. And now it wants us to dispatch the login to return type login. So to do this, we just follow the syntax we saw before. So we do store, which is this, .dispatch, and it takes in the action creator. So in this case, it's login action here. And now we want to call it. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.